Hey, so today we're gonna break down the Edelbrock carburetor from this 91 Camaro. One of my pretty ladies here in the garage. All right, so all done with the disassembly. Now it is time for the ultrasonic cleaner. I don't have an expensive one. It's just a cheap V4, but hopefully it'll get the job done. Well, I think that's it for today. Bye, guys. So I guess I went a little too crazy on the acidity for the ultrasonic cleaner. So some of this stuff ended up pretty heavily oxidized. That is a boo-boo. That kind of dark metal look is not really what I'm going for. I coated everything. Did the ultrasonic cleaner again with just a Dawn dish soap and water solution, and then oiled everything down. So hoping for the best, but don't be like me.
victory is mine! Ha 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 ha!